Good evening, everyone. This is Jim, and I'm with Get the Good Stuff. Hey, this is just going to be a quick intro of this video. It's going to be a short little video. It's basically me using 4 Patriots Buttermilk Pancake mix and just showing you how it cooks up and giving you just a quick review as far as how it tastes. So anyway, here it comes. All right, so we are going to try some of 4 Patriots Buttermilk Pancake Mix. So it says, and was a surprise to me because on this one, at least they give you individual serving sizes. However, they don't give you a tear notch on the packaging to open. Okay, and there is no resealable pouch, right? Because I'm only going to mix 4 servings, which is supposed to make me a total of 12 pancakes, right? So I need 1 1/3 cup of this pancake mix. I need 1 cup of water, and that's going to make me 12 pancakes. But again, they're not thinking. So I have to open this up, and then I'll have to fold it over, and I'll have to reseal that another way until I use the remaining amount, right? It would be so much more convenient if 4 Patriots would give me a resealable bag. But hey, at least I'm getting something that I can do an individual serving size. Let's get started here. Okay, so there is the pancake mix open, and the oxygen absorber is way down there. So good and messy. Get this going. This bag makes 8 servings. I'm making half of the amount. So I could do just 1 serving, which is 3 pancakes, but I'm going to do 4. So that's going to yield me the 12 again. And pretty messy to be able to get that oxygen absorber out. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. So let's go ahead and get this mixed, okay? Put in our 1 1/3 cup of pancake mix and our 1 cup of water. And now let's mix. My wife helping me out, not being sexist, but she does all the cooking, so I just don't know how to do much. Now that's pretty thick at just 1 cup of water. Now I do make pancakes a lot, but I use the Bisquick, so I am going to just add a little bit more water to this. I added another 1/4 cup, 2 ounces. That's a little bit better consistency. All right, let's get the griddle fired up. Okay, let's make some pancakes. All right. Okay, these are done. We'll take these off. And let's go ahead and pour some more on here. So we've already made 5. Now, I even put in a little extra water, right, based off of their recommendations to produce 4 servings or 12 pancakes. And so with these 5 that I've already done, the 4 that I've got here, that's 9. So let's see if we can get 3 more pancakes out of their recommendation. Okay, these 4 are ready to take off. So we've got a total of 9. Let's see if we can get 3 more out of their mix ratio. It looks like we are barely just right on. Not quite. And like I said, that's with me even adding a little bit more water, which would have made it a little bit thinner product. So had I not done that, I doubt if I would have gotten 12 total. So we'll be right back when we flip these off. After these cook up, I'm going to sit you down with us at the dinner table, and we're going to try these out. Okay, so let's go ahead, take these off, and let's go get some food in us. Okay, so I've given my granddaughter 2 pancakes. I've got 3. We've got some bacon. This probably won't be in a survival situation. And we will have syrup, though. because we do storehouse that. Let's get some of that on there. And then that leaves a total of 7 pancakes left. So that was 2 for my granddaughter, 3 for me, 7 left. So that's 12 pancakes. That's exactly what we mixed. Let's see what it tastes like. Try this out. These are buttermilk pancakes. It tastes like buttermilk pancakes. So pancake mix is definitely a plus, right? I could eat pancakes a heck of a lot more than I could eat oatmeal every day. But anyway, that's it for right now. Hope you like that little review of their pancake mix, and I hope you make it a great day. Take care. Bye.